Hello and welcome to the 219th edition of the weekly Shulni TV News Bulletin. Here we get you the latest news straight from the campus. I am Lisa and here are the headlines for this week. University campus looks forward to the return of students. National Agro Workshop held at Shulini University. Students showcase their talent at India Design Week. Faculty members felicitated for their exemplary contributions. Let's straight go to the lead news of our weekly bulletin. University campus brims with anticipation for the return of its student on August 2. Anushka will let us know more about it.
As summer draws to a close, the Shirin campus of Shirin University is brimming with anticipation for the return of its students on August 2. Ready to dive back into their academic pursuits, the university is gearing up for an exciting registration and induction program, ensuring a smooth transition back to academic life. The registration and induction program designed to welcome students will provide essential information about the academic year ahead, introduce the student to faculty members and guide them through the university resources and facilities. Classes will officially commence on August 5 and sharing in a new academic year filled with learning, collaboration and personal growth. In addition to welcoming back returning students, Shulin University is also preparing for the arrival of new students on August 20. The university is eager to embrace these newcomers who are about to embark on their own educational journeys. A dedicated orientation program will be held to help new students acclimate to the campus environment, familiarize them with the academic expectations, and introduce them to the vibrant culture of Shulin University. With just a few days left until the campus comes alive, once more Shulin University is standing ready to embark on another year of transformative education. As the vibrant energy of campus life is set to return, Shulin University remains committed to fostering a culture of excellence, innovation with exclusivity.
Thank you, Anushka. Up next, we have the news of the 10 days agro workshop held at Shulini University. Vanshika will let us know more about it.
The 10-day skill development certificate course on production and value addition of agri-produce was held at Shuli University, marking a significant step toward enhancing skills in the agriculture sector. The course was organized collaboratively by the Directorate of Extension Education, Dr. Y.S. Parmar, University of Horticulture and Forestry, Nauni Solan, and the M.S. Swaminathan School of Agriculture at Shuli University in partnership with the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, National Academy of Agricultural Research Management, Hyderabad. The inaugural session featured an inspiring address from the chief guest, Professor P.K. Khosla, Chancellor of Shuli University. He emphasized the need for students to become job providers rather than job seekers, urging them to embrace entrepreneurial opportunities within the agricultural field. Following Professor P.K. Khosla's address, Professor Sunil Puri, Registrar of Shuli University, took the stage to highlight the urgent need for advanced research in agriculture. Dr. Somesh, Dean of the M.S. Swaminathan School of Agriculture, welcomed the chief guest and distinguished guest from Nauni University. The Skill Development Certificate course aims to equip students with essential skills in the production and value addition of agricultural produce, preparing them to tackle the challenges of the agriculture sector effectively.
Thank you, Vanshika. Up next, we have the news of our talented Shulnians who represent Shulni University at the grand finale of India Design Week 2024. Aditya will let us know more about it.
The grand finale of India Design Week 2024 drew participation from over 8,000 students across 15 states. Organized by ICT Academy in collaboration with Autodesk, the event showcased the creativity and innovation of young minds in design. Among the standout participants were two talented students from the School of Core Engineering, Divyam and Akshit, who represented Shulini University with exceptional flair. The competition began with 100 teams from all over India, where the teams were asked with developing solutions based on a specific problem statement, incorporating design considerations provided by the organizer. The event celebrated innovation and collaboration, highlighting the importance of design thinking in addressing the real-world challenges. Divyam and Akshit expressed their gratitude to the university for unwavering support and encouragement throughout the competition.
Thank you, Aditya. Up next, we have the news of our faculty members getting felicitated by Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla for their exemplary contributions toward research and education. Kavya will let us know more about it.
Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla facilitated faculty members from various schools for their experimentary contribution during the previous academic year. The event celebrated the hard work and the dedication of the educators across the diverse discipline, highlighting their role in advancing academic excellence and fostering a culture of innovation. The ceremony commenced with an inspiring address by Professor Khosla, who emphasized the critical role of faculty in shaping the future of the students and the university. The faculty members who were recognized for their outstanding achievements were Dr. Sananand Pandey, Dr. Pankaj Kumar Chauhan, Dr. Rohit Jastoria, Dr. Pooja Dhiman, Dr. Shantanu Mukherjee, Dr. Parminder Singh Barad, Dr. Ritesh Banerjee, Dr. Radha, Dr. Lokendra Kumar, Dr. Rohit Sharma, Dr. Brij Bhushan Sharma, Mr. Puneet Kapoor, Dr. Monika Thakur, Ms. Palak, Dr. Siddharth Dhadwal, Dr. Prakash Chand, Dr. Nisha Kapoor, Mr. Praveen Verma, Dr. Pankaj, Dr. Apar Kaushik, Ms. Anupama, Dr. Veena Kashyap, and Dr. Nitin Kumar. Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla also addressed the gathering and congratulated the honor faculty members for their significant contribution to teaching. He urged all the faculty to continue pushing the boundaries of knowledge, focusing on innovation research.
Thank you, Kavya. And now we have RJ Pawan to inform you about the upcoming radio shows.
Hi everyone, I hope you are all excited about the campus experience. We are eagerly waiting to welcome our freshers. I am Pawan and I am here to brief you about the upcoming shows on Radio Shuni. Badhaiyo viral hua hai with RJ Nitin, Fake Mat Yaar, RJ Vani, Audio Brahman by RJ Mitan. So don't forget to tune into this amazing show on Radio Shuni. Awaaz Wadiyon ki.
Before signing off, here are the more glimpses of the monastic tour organized by the Yagoda Satsang Society in the campus. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching. We shall bring you the next edition on the coming Friday. Till then, stay tuned.